automation, AI-human integration, ergonomic analysis, connected systems, decision-making at scale. This is the future of industrial engineering. And at the Edwardson School of Industrial Engineering, it starts with hands-on learning. Here, students don't just study systems, they build them, like the design and production of premium drink coasters. But behind every cut is far more than machining. Designed by Boilermakers for Boilermakers, each piece begins with models, data, and digital workflows, representing systems to analyze, processes to improve, and decisions powered by data and AI. From digital twins and automation to advanced analytics and intelligent manufacturing, our students learn how the virtual and physical worlds come together to solve real-world problems. This is where innovation becomes experience and where students become engineers, ready to lead. On Purdue Day of Giving, the 3 largest donors to the Edwardson School of Industrial Engineering will receive the first ever coaster sets, a small piece of the future of Purdue IE. Your generosity fuels the technology, the tools, and the experiences that prepare our students for the future. Boiler up and hail Purdue!